Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying a new palette I've got from BECCA, and this is the Volcano Goddess. It launched in September last year. It has 12 creamy eyeshadows in 3 finishes: ultra matte, shimmer and molten metallic. From what I've seen, I don't think it's like an everyday eyeshadow palette because the colors are really explosive, really bold, but this is only my opinion. So I'm just gonna take this sleeve off, or whatever you want to call it. So here you have the palette, and it has like this nice mirror here, and here are the shades. They seem to be pretty nice. And at the end of this video I'm going to be doing a fast swatching just to kind of get an idea of this palette. So now I'm just gonna jump in and do a fast eye makeup tutorial. So now I'll take a fluffier brush and I'll go with this one by Zoeva in the number 228, and I think I'll take this shade, the Volcanic Sand, and I'll apply it all over my lid and on my brow bone. And this is going to be like a base, or like a nice transition color, if you want to call it like that. Now for the next shade, I'm kind of between Haze and Red Rock. So here I have Red Rock and here it's the Haze. I think I'll go with Red Rock, and I will be using a slight smaller fluffy brush, and I'll go with Red Rock, and that I'll apply here on my crease. Now I'll just grab a flat brush. This one's again by Zoeva, the 234, and I'll apply on my outer corner this Midnight Sapphire. I think you could use some Fix Plus just to grab the pigment a bit better on your brush, but I just wanted to see how it will behave without, and I think it could have been better. Seems to be a bit hard to blend that blue, but I think we'll just see in the process how it's going to work out. I think I'll just leave it for now just like that. Just remember, here I have no eyeshadow primer. I just have my concealer on and nothing more, and just some powder. I'm just going to leave that also just like it is. I'm just gonna blend here a little bit more. Now grabbing another flat brush, I'll use the Lava shade and I'll apply it on the other half of my eyelid. But this one seems to be a little bit more pigmented than the blue one, so let's just apply it and see how it works out. Now taking again the first shade, the Red Rock, I'm just gonna go in again into my crease and just intensify this color. Now taking a smudge brush, I'll go in with this gold shade, which is called Gilded, and I'll apply that on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'll apply some false lashes, and I'll take this one by Ardell. They are in the number 113, and I'll just apply some lipstick and I'll be right back. So this is the final result with some lashes and lipstick. It definitely looks a little bit better right now. But bottom line, I do think this is a nice palette. There are some shades that you can use on a daily basis. For example, the 3 matte shadows and these 6 from here, and these 3 are the metallic ones. I mean, if you want to be creative, you can also use them on your daily makeup, but I do think it's going to be a little bit too much, but you can do it wherever you want. So this is for today's video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the eye makeup look that I've created using this BECCA eyeshadow palette, the Volcano Goddess. You can find it on Ulta for, I think, $46. And yeah, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!